As you can see here, I am back with another video. I've been away for quite a while, only just because of last week. I was meant to film last week, but I had gotten sick. But you know, your girl's back. She's bouncy, she's vibrant to serve you another look. Okay, as you can see from the intro, we are going to be creating a very cool, simple yet glamorous night out makeup. So if you are interested to see that look, then please just keep on watching. So as per usual, we are going to be starting by priming. I've already prepped my face in terms of all the basic beauty stuff that I use at the end of my beauty regime. So I'm going to start by priming the middle of my face. As you can see, my brows are already on. What I like to use, as y'all know, as per usual, is the NARS Pore and Shine Control primer. Very matte. I don't like to use too much of this because then your face can end up looking quite powdery, but at the same time it does its job. So I'm gonna just place this in all the parts of my face which is quite oily. Okay, next I'm going to be doing the old school, the typical. What I like to do is just cover all the dark spots of my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm just going to whiz through this part because I'm sure you guys are quite fed up of seeing me do this, so I'm just going to whiz through. Right, so now that I've managed to blend all that concealer in, and I'm now going to be taking my Sephora 10 Hour Wear Perfection Foundation and the shade Deep. Right, now that I've swatched that all over the face, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't like to wear a lot of foundation, so I tend to just, you know, put a little bit on and then just blend it in. Okay, now that we have all that blended all over the face, it looks a little bit orange on camera, but once I, you know, apply some concealer, then we'll just kind of neutralize the warmth in this foundation a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna make it work, don't worry, girl. Right, now we are going to begin to set the parts where we have highlighted with my Studio MAC Fix Plus powder in the shade NC47. I'm just going to take my small dense brush and just literally just set all the parts where there may be creasing. Let me just blend that, because you never know when you might have a little bit of creasing in the eye. Right, and because we have put a little bit of, we have blended some of that concealer on our eyelids, I'm now going to take the same powder and just literally just blend that over my eyelids just to set the concealer. Now we're going to be taking the James Charles collaboration with Morphe eyeshadow palette. He has literally, and he literally has like eyeshadows and eyeshadows. So I'm going to be taking this brown shade here to contour with. I love this shade so much. I just think it's like my perfect match, to be fair. I'm going to be taking that same shade and just blend that into the hollow parts of my face. See, that's really pigmented, so we just want to, you know, blend that out. Blending it upwards because we don't want to bring any of that brown shade down to our jawline. Okay, so now that we've set and we have contoured our face, I am now going to be taking the Revolution Banana Deep Loose Setting Powder and a mini dry beauty sponge. and I'm just going to take some of that, and I like to put that. I'm just going to begin to bake underneath my eye. Okay guys, now that we have applied our loose setting powder everywhere, I like to also put it underneath my contour, as you all know. Right, and I'm going to quickly just contour my nose now. I don't want to be looking too baked, so what I'm going to do is just take a clean brush and just literally just brush away all the loose baking powder. Okay guys, now we can finally move on to the eyes. I'm going to be starting off by taking the lightest purpley pinky like shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade here, and I'm going to be just blending that all into my crease. Okay guys, now we have done all of that. I'm going to be taking the purpley shade right here, and I'm going to be blending that all over my lid. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia dual brush. This is a very old brush, but it's OG. Like it's like the perfect crease brush. So now I'm taking that purple shade and just blend that all over the lid. Taking this brush from Urban Decay from the Cherry palette. I really love how dense and semi-pointy this brush is. So I'm going to be taking this brush and just literally blend everything slightly together, just making sure there's no harsh lines. And make sure that everything is just blended nice and seamlessly. I'm not too sure if you guys have noticed, but I still have the bake underneath my eyes, only because there can be some fallout with this palette, so I wanted to make sure that I kept some powder underneath, so just in case if anything fell down I can just wipe it away with a clean fluffy brush, which is what I'm about to do now. The powder I've been waiting for personally, and I'm taking the gorgeous Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in the shade How Many Carats. When I say this is the most bombest of the bomb, I just love it super much. It literally just looks like someone has pounded a diamond and just salt bathed it all over your skin tone. When I said Rihanna has done her part, this is how it should be done, y'all. The Diamond Bomb with a clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm going to be wetting this brush, and what we're going to be doing with this is just literally take a swipe of this Diamond Bomb, just saturate that, just going to tap it all on the eye. Right, so now that we've applied that beautiful highlighter on our eyes, ain't that just pretty? I really love that. Just it's so cute. It's very cute. Very pretty. It looks like somebody just crushed some diamonds, as I said earlier, and just salt bathed it over our eyes. You know what I mean? I like it a lot. So now we're gonna apply some mascara. The mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline New York. I love drugstore mascara. Apply some lashes and be right back. I'm now gonna go in with the MAC Fever blush, one of my favorite blushes. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush, the same one that we took actually. Well, it's not that clean actually because I used it to sweep away the loose powder. I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. One thing I don't like about this blush though, like, I have to really get in there to get any form of pigment. I don't know why. It is real because I got it from the actual store. So I don't know what's going for this one. Okay, now that we've got that on, I'm now going to take some of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and just literally spread this all over my face. Okay, now I'm going to take one of my favourite highlighters, which is the Anastasia AMREZY highlighter. It doesn't really have a name, I wish I knew what the name was. So I'm going to take this and apply this to the high points of my face. Right, now to be finishing off this look, I'm going to line my lips with the M.A.C lip pencil in the shade CORK. Because I want the outside of my lips to look a little bit more defined, of course I'm going to be taking my absolute #1 favourite, which is the NYX Espresso lip pencil. Okay, now I'm going to go with my MAC lipstick in the shade WHIRL. And now I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Okay, and now I'm going to finally spritz my face just to make sure everything is now settled into the skin. Last but not least, we're going to be taking that same Fenty Glow. How many carats? Fenty Glow. Did I just say Fenty Glow? Sorry. Yeah, gonna be taking the diamond bomb. Yeah, and I'm gonna take my fan brush. Gonna fan that over. And voila! We are all finished with this look, girl. Like, we're now glowing in all the right places, and now we can go out and feel ourselves, take loads of selfies, snap, rap, whichever one you want to do. Like, we gotta showcase the world that we are serving face and body, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give this a thumbs up, please subscribe, help the MUV fam grow and expand. Thank you so much for supporting me, and thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really did have a great time filming this for you guys, and it means so much to me that so many of you so far have tuned in, supported me, encouraged me to carry on making more videos for you guys. But yes, yeah, don't forget to don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below what else looks you'd like for me to put out there for you guys. I've got more content coming up that's not makeup related, so yes, stay tuned for that. And yes, get into this mug. I hope you guys can recreate this, tag me in it, let me see your looks, let me repost your pictures. And yes, thank you once again for tuning into this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.